Hello world, Darren Martineau here from Master Magic Shop. And in this video, I'd like to talk about my incredible new project, which I call the 7 Plots of Magic Collection. This is a complete Master Magic course, and this is a big bundle. It includes 8 of my exclusive magic products. You're going to learn over 664 pro magic routines, sleights, tips, and more. It includes all the video instructions and 16 bonus magic ebooks. Okay, normally this would be about $280 if you bought everything separately, but in this special offer, I am discounting it heavily. You save $130. It is only $149.99. So for only 150 bucks, you're going to get this incredible Master Magic course, and what it includes is my super visual color changes. It includes the Torn and Restored Card Magic Project, all my best Torn and Restored uh, card routines, animations, magic plot collection, um, transpositions, levitations collection, including my Torn Asunder coin. You get the Vanishing Magic Plot collection, the appearance, and the penetration. So, in the 7 effects of magic, you have vanish, you have, of course, you have appearance, vanish, transformation, transposition, um, levitation, penetration, and mentalism. And these are all included in here. And through my deep research on magic, I've discovered that the penetration plot is something that there's not as many routines with that. So click on the link and get this incredible Master Magic course and level up now. Thank you.